Hey there, this is Roy Ben Judah coming back with you again with a quick little story again. Look, I'm still impressed with KNS Ministries. Why? I'm gonna tell you a story I had. I signed up with someone off of, I think it was YouTube, and I had a bad experience. Now, they did not take any money from my account or anything like that, but I believe they scammed me for a very long time, almost a year, that I was paying nearly a $110 a month for credit repair or monitoring my credit. And I only had like six things on there. And they were small things. And I continued to pay and pay and pay. And I'm asking them, I kept calling them and say, why isn't this gone yet? Why take so long to just remove a small thing off my credit? And so I felt like it was enough for them. And so I got in contact with ML Kimball from KNS Ministries, and those things that they were taking a long time to do, he took care of me. I had to take a deep breath there. He took care of those things really fast. And I would say, like he always says, it's not going to take over. It's not going to be something that's overnight. But I saw he got him off my credit report really fast. And please excuse me for not being scripted, because I'm just talking from the heart. And he removed those things, and I learned some things as well. I learned about addresses. I learned about he taught me about different things when concerning the addresses. I had moved, my job transferred me from here to there, and I had all these addresses on my credit, and so I did not know that looks unstable. And so he removed all that stuff, removed different names, and I even had my wife's name on some of my credit repair. So my credit was jacked up in small things that I didn't even realize that hurt my credit. He took care of all that stuff in about 3-4 months. 5 months down the road, I saw a whole bunch of change. There's not going to be a snap of the finger, but I tell you what, he is educated, he understands, he is competent, and I'm trying to tell you, get in contact with KNS Ministries. I'm sorry this wasn't more scripted, but I came from the heart to let you know you need to get in contact with this young man because he knows his business. I'll come back later with some more of those stories. I do have more.